In all my work, I use plant material that is related to the use of the building or the users. For the Museum of Anthropology, I went into ethnobotany. Now, ethnobotany was not described here in any way. However, an archaeologist professor at UBC pointed me to a book called The Ethnobotany of Western Washington. And that was written by a woman called Erna Gunther in 1943. It described all the plants that were known to the Kwakiutl or the Tishmean or whoever tribe it was. So the palette for the Museum of Anthropology was composed from this book. And here's, for instance, the card, because I had to show every card to my friend Arthur Erickson, a Mahonia aquifolium, which is Oregon grape. I wrote down the height, the bloom in spring, the color, bright yellow, open woodland, berries in late summer, purplish blue, and tasting, some red, and colors in fall. So I went with these cards to Arthur to show what kind of plants we could have. The same thing for Moshe at the National Gallery, and the same thing for people like the Russells and Bagley Wrights with whom I did gardens. I showed bachelor buttons in perennial. Some people also like crooked things, which I don't like, but when asked, I had it ready. So these flashcards were made to enlighten those I was to present my work to.